custard apple. Custard apple, that's an English name. Actually, it is known scientifically as Cherimoya. This fruit is a very good fruit. The name is custard apple. It's actually many people know it physically, especially here in Africa. In Acholi, it is locally called ball, but the English name is custard apple. Custard apple has a lot of health benefits, it is having antioxidants and also anti-cancer elements. It's very nutritious, not only having more vitamin C than oranges and other fruits, but it is very nutritious. But today, I'm not talking about that. Today I'm bringing you a very brief thing about custard apple. That is how you can make it fruit only. You can make some kind of Frenchies like this one. Like this one here. Then you keep on pouring your fertilizer or manure and even water if you're living in places where there's rice. This custard apple has a frequency of fruiting twice in a year. But if you're alone, you may not finish it fruit because it can bear a lot of fruit. Whenever there is water under the main trunk, it will always be happening. One other thing is, custard apples are technically self-pollinating, but they can do better in the presence of pollinators. And the best pollinators are the black beetles. That means for you to make custard apple perform very well, you need just favorable conditions, water, and being self-pollinating fruit, it will pollinate itself without any other pollination. But in case there's chance that there are pollinators, it will also boost its what? Fruiting.
Peggy Roki Moneba, Pum Peggy Mago Kuro,